Okay. Looking nice too. Ready? I already added some manure. Add a little bit of perlite. Okay, so according to this, for the pot, they can be 10 to 15 centimeters apart. So you know, say apart, so we're gonna do 10 centimeters. We're gonna use this 10 centimeters apart. And of course, these are the ones that we had separated and checked before. So that's the what left. Let me wash this off a little bit. These three I'm gonna plant in a separate pot. No, we'll see. My question now. What is 5? If we do a 5 and then a 10, and let's see where the 5 is here. So, okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is give them a 5 centimeter spacing from the edge. If I space the first line, then I can, no, okay. Bong bang bang bong 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 bong. Ha 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 ha. Why this not flat? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Boom bang bang bong 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 bong. Okay, and according to this, we're gonna just push them down to where just the tip. So yeah, only the tip, sure. So it's just below the surface. And the rest. Sorry if my head got in the way of the shot. My bad. Okay, so the white onion update, and of course remember all of them sprouted. Let's see if I can do this angle so you can see the height. They're looking nice. These ones are companion planted with the Swiss chard, and so far so good. And these ones over here looking nice too, and they were companion planted with purple onions, and I dropped in a little thing there, and of course it has some a bean stock, but not bad, right? Yeah, they're looking nice actually, not bad. And then these ones over here, it's lots and lots of onions, girl. They're a little bent because when I put the bag over them when I was doing for winter, for the snow, sorry, they kind of got a little bent out of shape, so that's why they look like that. Plus it's gotten colder, so they've probably gone slightly dormantish. These are the ones that are with the Swiss chard. Not bad, right? Swiss chard is growing a lot. So, but they're doing okay. So it's an experiment to see if they can do it in this tiny container. Hopefully they're not, you know, suffocated and stuff by the Swiss chard. But yeah, and let's look at the ones that are over here. We've got one rogue Swiss chard there, but these ones are a little bigger, of course, because they have less competition, and they're planted with other onions. So they're planted with red onions and the beans, but these are my other white onions. Comment below, how do you think I'm gonna get this harvest? To see the update and how I care for them, remember to subscribe and wait for that video to come out. Hopefully I can get a nice harvest. Comment below, how do you think my harvest is gonna go with these two sets? Crispy.